Okay, children. So in the previous class, we have studied about the industrial production of alcohol. Alcohol, as we already studied, that what are the uses of the alcohol? Alcohol has several uses as a solvent, as an antibiotics. It is also used in the various type of medicines. It is used in paint industries, and it is used in several type of other chemical processes. It is also used as a fuel in the laboratory, and it is used as a fuel in automobile when it is mixed with the petrol. Okay? So there are several uses of the alcohol, and alcohol, the greatest use, so everyone knows, that is the beverages, and it has started with the beverages only, and I said it was an accidental discovery, but now in world over, the consumption of alcohol is one of the highest substance for the pleasure. Okay, now next is antibiotics. Antibiotics, the word antibiotics means, anti means against, bio means life, that is they are working, those are chemicals which are working against life. Whose life? It is not against our life, but it is against the microbes which are causing diseases. Okay? So in case of we are infected by certain type of microbes which are known as the pathogens, then these antibiotics are taken which will control the growth of these pathogens and will make us or get rid of these pathogens and make us free. Now the discovery of antigen is also antibiotics is also an accidental discovery, and who don't know about that story of Alexander Fleming? Alexander Fleming was studying he was in some cultures of the bacteria, and he was just studying about this culture of bacteria under his microscope. So in one of the culture of bacteria which he kept open in next to the window, and next morning when he come and he took the petri dish for testing, and he found to his surprise that all the bacteria are dead. Now the question is, how are the bacteria dead? Because bacteria are actually cultured in the culture medium, and when the culture medium was good and the bacteria were there, conditions were suitable, then why did all the bacteria die? So when he was studying it under the microscope, he come across a fungi, that is penicillin. He said that just because of the penicillin should all the bacteria die. Then he extracted the penicillin, he removed some of the extract from the penicillin, and he tested it onto the other cultures also, and to his surprise that all these microbes which were in the different culture phase, they all died. He was actually studying about the staphylococci, which I already highlighted there. So he was in his petri dish, he was studying on the staphylococci, and the fungi, what you call penicillin, fell into it. It must have come from the window, and some spores. And when they found a suitable condition, they started growing, and the growth of the penicillin actually was against the growth of staphylococci. So this is how the penicillin notatum was identified to work against the gram-positive bacteria. On the further study, we came to know that the penicillin syrup, the juice which is extracted from the penicillin, can work against the gram-positive type of bacteria. However, it never had any effect on the gram-negative bacteria. So there are a number of diseases which are caused in us by the gram-positive bacteria. All those diseases could be checked or controlled by this. However, Alexander Fleming could not extract enough of penicillin to use this as antibiotics. But later on, the two young scholars came, like Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. They also came there for research. By the time he was retiring, and then they worked together, his ideas and those people's hard work, and they could make antibiotic, that is in the form of penicillin. Okay? So it is written here that this antibiotic was extensively used to treat American soldiers wounded in World War II. And Fleming and Chain, that is Alexander Fleming, whose idea it was, and the Ernest Chain and Howard Florey were awarded Nobel Prize for that in 1945. ठीक है. So this is how antibiotics have come into being. And later on further study revealed that there are large number of bacteria and even some large number of fungi and even some bacteria are there which are having antibiotic property. Okay, this property of antibiotics you remember, because we'll study in chapter 13 again we'll study about them. Okay, after penicillin other antibiotics were purified from the microbe. तो टेरामाइसिन हो गया, टेट्रासाइक्लिन हो गए, ठीक है, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, एमोक्सिलिन, and there are number of other were purified them from them. Some are used alone and some were used in the combination. Today we are using ciprofloxacin. So all these are actually extracted from the different type of fungi and bacteria. So thanks to these antibiotics, today we cannot imagine the life of human being or treatment of deadly diseases without antibiotics. So antibiotics are very important. Today's class is the most important because in this class only we are going to study all the important topic of this chapter. बाकी तो सब ऐसे ही है, ठीक है. So those who are missing, they are missing very important things. ओके, तो एंटीबायोटिक्स ने क्या क्या किया, देखिए ये कौन कौन सी बीमारियों को जड़ से ख़त्म कर दिया. नाउ यू डोंट हियर अबाउट दीज डिजीजेस. प्लेग, वूबिंग कफ ख़त्म है दुनिया में, कहीं दिखती नहीं है. डिप्थीरिया, नाउ ऑफ कोर्स वैक्सीन्स आर ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड एंड दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीजन. लेप्रेसी, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन मेनी पीपल anywhere you used to find people suffering from leprosy. Now it is almost very few. Like जो पहले लेप्रेसी वाले पेशेंट होते थे, नाउ नॉट इवन 0.5% ऑफ दोज पीपल आर स्टिल हैविंग लेप्रेसी. डिप्थीरिया, दैट इज गलगोटू एंड लेप्रेसी, ठीक है. तो दीज विच यूज्ड टू किल मिलियंस. तो थैंक्स to the Alexander Fleming, his noble discovery. Of course the discovery was a accidental discovery, but he understood the role of that in the form of in the form of medicine or in the medical field. And today the world is safe, ठीक है. Not only that was only a beginning, and now we know that hundreds and thousands of different type of antibiotics are available in the different combination. That was only suitable for gram positive bacteria. Now we have got many which are suitable for the gram negative bacteria and gram positive bacteria and the wide spectrum. Okay, so today we cannot imagine a world without antibiotics. That's all about the industrial production. Now comes to the third topic, that is the chemicals, enzyme and bioactive molecules. We are even producing number of different type of chemicals. We are producing different type of enzymes and even bioactive molecules. So this particular paragraph, that is 10.2.3, is very important. You see, if you see the part which I underline or which part which highlight, तो इसमें तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. That is 4, 5, 6, 7 lines are left without highlighting. Rest everything is highlighted. That is, you can imagine the quantum of the severity or the seriousness of the importance of this particular topic. ठीक है, let us study them one by one. The microbes are used for the commercial industrial production of certain chemicals like organic acid, alcohol and enzymes. Now among them alcohol we already studied, antibiotics we have studied, antibiotics are not given even so, but now what are the other chemicals like Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, it is used for the production of citric acid. Citric acid, as you know, is the acid which is found in all the citrus fruits, ठीक है. But beside this Aspergillus niger जो है, that is a bacteria which can also be used in production, industrial production. So very simple, you just put some of the organic substance and these bacteria in the big fermenters, and then it will convert that into citric acid, and then you can purify that. Then Acidobacter acetate, it is used in production of acetic acid. Okay. Acetic acid is a what do you call it? Is an organic acid. It is when dissolved in the water, it is used in making vinegar. So in market, you know, you get the two type of vinegar, that is the synthetic vinegar and the organic vinegar. So this is the synthetic vinegar. Actually, it is not a vinegar which is produced from the by way of alcohol and its oxidization. Rather, it is produced by this way. Okay, so using the microbes. Okay, third one is Clostridium botulism. This bacteria is used in production of butyric acid. Okay, and the fourth one is Lactobacillus, about which we already studied in the previous, that is yesterday's class. Lactobacillus is used in making lactic acid, and lactic acid is again acid. All these are organic acid, and organic acid can be used in food also, because they will not cause any harm. They are digestible, they are used. Next is yeast. We already studied the two roles, that is in the bakeries and in the alcohol production. Okay, so that we already studied, just for the namesake it is given here. Next is the microbes. As I said, these books are actually simply taken from the internet and they are pasted. So the different people are given the job. किसी को दे दिया, you have to write only about alcohol. किसी को दे दिया industrial production. You have to think. So all of them are fine. Now this person has written. Now you cannot remove, all those are of equal standard. तो आप किसी का कुछ कम नहीं कर सकते, काट नहीं सकते. तो वो ईस्ट को दोबारा तीसरी बार चौथी बार अलग पढ़ते रहेंगे. चलिए हटाइए, कोई बात. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं एंजाइम्स. एंजाइम लाइपेज. As you know, lipase is used for the digestion of lipids. ठीक है, डाइजेशन ऑफ लिपिड्स कब काम आता है. ऑल आप देखे होंगे बहुत सारे डिटर्जेंट्स इन विच द एडवर्टाइजमेंट कम्स दैट इट रिमूव द ऑयली स्टेन्स, स्टेन गार्ड, स्टेन ब्लस्टर, स्टेन बस्टर्ड, स्टेन, ऐसे नाम आपको दिखते हैं. और एंजाइम एक्टिव और समथिंग. सो व्हाट इज दैट एंजाइम? एंजाइम इज लाइपेज. This enzyme lipase is produced industrially by using some type of bacteria, and then they are added into this detergent. So the oily thing which are here on the collar and cufflinks, and sometimes some when we are wearing nicely dressed and going to some party and all, and on the food some oil, something falls into our dress, and we just feel pity. बोले यार इतनी अच्छी शर्ट थी. The shirt which I like most, I used to wear in all parties and all, and now it got stained. So you need not to worry, the stain busters are there in the form of lipase, that is those detergents which contain lipase in the laundry industry. इसके बाद क्या है? The many bottled fruit juices which you make at home. Suppose you got a lime tree in your home and plenty of lime are produced. So it is a common practice. जितना देना है दे दो, और एक घर में 2-5 लाइन दे दिया अपना अड़ोसी पड़ोसी. आंटी हमारे घर का नींबू, अंकल हमारे घर का नींबू, जो भी है दुआ करके सबके वाहवाही लूट लो. बचे हुए सारों को लेके रिमूव द जूसेस, फिल इन द बॉटल, पिट शुगर एंड कीप इट इन द सन. दिस इज द कॉमन प्रैक्टिस वी यूज्ड टू डू. नहीं भी हो तो बाजार से ले आते हैं when the lime is cheap. Okay, but when we remove juices, what we find on the tip of the bottle, suppose this big is the bottle, this is a steel bottle, you can't show it, but if it is a PET bottle or it is a glass bottle, you will find in the top some white substances are collected. But when we get the juices from the market, those white substances are not there. What are these white substances? They are actual pectin. Pectin which is found in the cell wall of some of the parts of the plant. Again, so we have to use pectinase enzyme. So when we use pectinase enzyme and we put some amount of pectinase enzyme, it will dissolve that. Okay? Similarly the proteases, so they can be obtained from the bacteria. Next is, अब जो enzyme तो हो गए. Now another enzyme is that is streptokinase. You remember that in the class 11th we have studied, wherever enzyme is there, how will you determine that the name of this particular word is enzyme? When the suffix as is there. So streptokinase, pectinase, protease, lipase. So wherever as is there, those all are enzymes. Now streptokinase, very important. Very, very important. In today's time, it is all the more important. Okay, now I have said 2, 3, 4 types. Very important, very important, very important. तो important है not only for the study, not only for passing 12th, but it is for life. It is important. क्यों important है? देखिए एक बार बोलने का मतलब क्या है? Streptokinase produced by a bacterium called Streptococcus, and it is modified by genetic engineering used as clot buster. There are number of times when our arteries get clogged by clot formation. We have studied in class 11 that the blood clotting takes place only in certain instances when the bleeding is taking place. But sometimes internal bleeding takes place because of some reason or other. And suppose those arteries where the clots are formed, those arteries will be choked, and in such a case the blood flow will stop. And if the blood flow stops into a certain part, then that part will not get the oxygen and food supply, and the cells will die. So suppose the main artery which is taking blood to this arm, it gets clogged, then there will be no food and oxygen supply, and then after some time it will be paralyzed. Same is with the brain, same is with any other part. So those clot busters are removed. Moreover, clots are formed after the surgery, myocardial surgery. ठीक है, तो ये लिखा है by removing the clot and the blood vessels of the patient who have undergone myocardial infarction leading to the heart attack. Blood thinner भी कहते हैं उसको, because ये clot को dissolve कर देता है. Okay, ये तो थे that is enzyme. 3 categories में divide करा. First was the chemical, second was enzyme, and now third is the bioactive molecule. Again, this entire paragraph is important. As such, I said the whole paragraph, this particular thing, जो portion है 10.2.3 पूरा का पूरा important है. बाकी इतने important नहीं है तो सही, लेकिन ये ठीक है. अब क्या है देखिए, next another bioactive molecule is cyclosporin A, which is known as or used as immunosuppressive agent. Chapter 8 we have studied. There are instances when we have to take graft from the other organisms, and we have studied that whenever an organ is taken from other body, then our body recognizes and start killing it. CMI, cell-mediated immunity. So then when I was teaching that cell-mediated immunity, I said whenever there is a graft taken from someone else, maybe kidney, maybe heart wall, maybe cornea of the eyes, or maybe skin, or maybe any other part, then our cells will start eating them up. They will start damaging them. So in order to survive, or in order to maintain the acceptance, we have to reduce the immunity. Cell-mediated immunity has to be brought down. Lymphocytes has to be brought down. Now how this will be done? This is done by this. Cyclosporin A is used immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patient. 5 से 10 लाख रुपए में उसने किडनी ऑपरेशन, सर्जरी सब कुछ करा, मतलब मेडिसिन वगैरह सब कुछ लेकर के सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशन कराया. मे बी हार्ट वॉल और मे बी किडनी ऑपरेशन आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बिकॉज वी हैव टू गिव अ होल सम टू द पर्सन फ्रॉम whom we are taking kidney. दो गवर्नमेंट हैज पुट लॉट ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शन, बट पीपल तो लेते ही हैं, तो वो हो ही रहा है. तो अब उसमें क्या है, 10 लाख 15 लाख रुपए लगा के किडनी का ऑपरेशन करा, एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम द सेल मेडिएटेड इम्यूनिटी विल रिजेक्ट दैट ऑर्गन. सो उसके लिए क्या कर रहे हैं हम इम्यूनिटी को ही कम कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ समथिंग लाइक दैट कि हमने चौकीदार को ही बोल दिया कि कोई बात नहीं, चोर आ रहा है तो चुपचाप बैठ जा, ले जाने दे उसको. ठीक है. या कई बार हम कहते हैं ना, जैसे अपने घर से हमने कोई कुछ काम कराया, खुदाई कराई, या कुछ वेस्ट निकाला. दिवाली के दिन इन दिनों काफ़ी सारी सफाई हो रही है, एंड लॉट ऑफ वेस्ट इज बीन जनरेटेड. मे बी लॉट ऑफ पेपर, मे बी लॉट ऑफ ओल्ड वेसल्स एंड नंबर, तो दोज वी कीप इन सम प्लेसेस, एंड देन व्हेन दैट कबाड़ा फेलो कम्स, वी आज देम कि कम भाई ये ले जाओ. और जो हमारे घर में कुत्ता बैठा होता है वो भौंकता ही रहता लगातार. हम बोलते हैं टॉमी चुप, टॉमी टॉमी टॉमी. तो वी आर सप्रेसिंग हिम एंड वी आर अलाउइंग टू टेक दिस, which in other ways we are never allowed to take anything from the house, or Tommy will attack it. तो यहाँ हमने हमारे टॉमी को सप्रेस किससे करा? बाय साइक्लोस्पोरिन A. ओके. तो ये कहाँ से बन रहा है भाई? ये ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम से बन रहा है। अब ये याद रखना है, तो ये 3 चीज़ों का एपिक टेबल बना लीजिए, द सब्सटेंस, द फंक्शन एंड द सोर्स फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड। Statin is produced by the yeast Monascus purpureus and have been commercially used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. अब हमारा खाने पीने का स्टाइल ही ऐसे हो गया, ठीक है। Even people who are vegetarian, they are started eating non-veg and they eat more. And those children who are studying all in the metro cities and all, you will find they are always ordering all these cheese and other containing substances which have got very high content of cholesterol, plus all oily food. होटल का खाना मतलब ऑयली खाना, टेस्टी खाना मतलब ऑयली खाना. You go to any of the party and their food you will find such a thick layer of oil. घर में कोई बनाता है कि इतना ऑयल वाला फूड? कोई नहीं बनाता. We always have limited amount of oil. Now you do whatever, but if you remove the food, you will get lot of oil to get. And this oil may have cholesterol. And plus our body also produces cholesterol by some of the metabolic activities. तो ये कौन है? देखिए, statin produced by yeast Monascus purpureus have been commercialized as blood cholesterol lowering agent and act as competitive inhibiting as enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. तो ये हमारी बॉडी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं बनने देगा और it will lower the cholesterol amount. So these are very important thing. और इसमें लाइफ सेविंग है स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, चाहे वो क्लॉट बस्टर हो, चाहे वो साइक्लोस्पोरिन हो, चाहे ये क्या कहते हैं मोनास्कस हो, ये सब जो है दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये हमारी लाइफ के साथ में समझौता नहीं करने देते. ओके, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पैराग्राफ. आई सेड प्लीज लर्न इट. नाउ वी गॉट 10 minutes टाइम एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द सीवेज वाटर ट्रीटमेंट. In the yesterday's class, I was just telling you that is the water which we are drinking. We are in Kota. Almost the water in the Chambal is coming from Yamuna, and Yamuna water is coming from this thing. So the length this water is covered is more than 2,000 kilometers. I think so. And when it is passing through so many cities, and all the city people have used it and they have added their sewage in it, and the sewage is mainly containing human excreta, urine and kitchen waste, organic waste. Now besides this there are other substances also. Industrial waste are also there, farmland waste also are there, and other waste are also there. In case of river and flood and rain and flood and all, it takes all over the cities, all the waste and all. We are not talking about all those waste. We are talking only and only about sewage. Okay? And the sewage treatment is very important. We had a prime minister named as Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, and he was a pilot by profession. And when he used to go to a number of other countries, he used to fly his plane and all, he used to find all the other countries' rivers are very clean. And when you see any of the river in India, the water is muddy, water is blackish, brownish, and there are seldom some river in the Himachal or Uttarakhand and other hilly places where the water is just melting and flowing. That is only the transparent water. Rest everywhere you will find the water is highly contaminated and highly polluted. So this Rajiv Gandhi, that's so-called Rahul Gandhi's father, so he used to see all those things, and then when he became Prime Minister, he initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. But his sudden demise, the program ऐसे होता है, एक गवर्नमेंट चेंज होती है, दूसरा आते हैं, and then slowly everyone's preferences are different, and that was slowly shut down. And then again Atal Bihari Vajpayee came, he initiated Ganga is a holy river, Yamuna is a holy river, and that is why it has been again initiated. And then फिर भी वो चला गया ठंडे बस्ते में, और अब हमारे नए प्रधानमंत्री जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी आए, उन्होंने नमामि गंगे एंड अदर नाम से जो है ये प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करा. हालांकि इट इज़ स्टिल द सेम, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है खास. हाँ, ब्यूटिफिकेशन जरूर हो रहा है टुवर्ड्स द रिवर बैंक एंड ऑल, बट द क्लीनिंग ऑफ रिवर वाटर इज नॉट अ वेरी बिग important. So now let us see that how the entire process is done. Suppose this is the sewage water, sewage. The sewage contains human excreta and other. Plus, if it is coming from the open drainage, it will definitely have some plastic, some wood log and some other things. So हमको यहाँ पे क्या एक जाली लगानी, so that in the water tank we get only and only water and the dissolved impurities. All the insoluble substances will be removed there. Okay, and the water is filled in these tanks and they are kept for more than 24 hours or so. And when the water is kept in this undisturbed, then what happens? The heavy contaminated substances, maybe mud or the soil and the other substances that deposits down. Now we got a pipe from here and the second tank. So here the two, that is called primary treatment. Primary treatment involves only physical treatment. क्या करा प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट में? Filtration and sedimentation. Sedimentation, it depends. The amount of impurity accordingly will increase the number of tanks. Maybe one, अगर एक से काम नहीं चल रहा, 2, 3, 4 use कर लेंगे. So this water will be taken to another tank again 24 hours, again 24 hours and all. Then this is the tank in which I am taking only one tank just because my boat is small and I am taking the water is not as contaminated. Then the second tank in which we have got some fountain or maybe there may be different type of methods. Agitation हो सकता है, fountain हो सकता है, cold rotation वाला जो मैंने system use करा था उसमें use कर सकते हैं. We have to use some bacteria, organically digesting bacteria, and these bacteria and fungi का flock होता है, FLOCK. Flock is including some bacteria and some fungi which digest the organic waste aerobically. ठीक है? तो they are aerobic oxidation. Of organic waste. So all the organic waste which are there, the air is pumped in, so there will be sufficient air and this is. You have studied the word BOD. Have you studied the word BOD? Joey? BOD stands for biological oxygen demand. That is, whenever a sample of water is taken, 1 liter sample of water is taken and put some of the aerobically respirating microbes in it, how much oxygen it requires in order to oxidize those organic waste is called biological oxygen demand. How much oxygen is demanded? More the impurities are present, organic impurities, more will be the oxygen, because उसके अंदर oxygen, पानी में normally 2 to 3% oxygen होता है. That oxygen will be finished within no time, because we are taking so many bacteria and fungi, so they will consume the entire oxygen within no time. So we have to supply oxygen from outside in order to oxidize these organic waste. So lot of oxygen is required. And when the oxygen requirement comes to bare minimum, then we say that the water is almost clean. So then we will take it to the third tank. Okay, from this tank now water will be allowed to go here. नीचे का नहीं लेंगे, नीचे क्या है, ये फ्लॉक्स जाके सेटल होते हैं. When this water is taken from here, the flocks will be removed and a certain amount of flocks will be taken, which will be added back into the fresh lot of water. Okay, that will be acting as a starter or inoculator. Okay, so that is also now third tank area in which this water is taken, which is more or less फ्री फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट. अब इसके अंदर ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट तो नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट हमने तब तक रखा है जब तक कि BOD मिनिमम नहीं हो जाए. ठीक है, we have to just pump in oxygen and just rotate it, and the bacterial and fungal flocks are there. The number will automatically increase when the plenty of food and other conditions are there, and they will go on digesting the organic waste. So human excreta and the farmland waste को छोड़ दीजिए, cow dung and all, and then the kitchen product and all the organic waste. I am not talking about the industrial waste. आर्सेनिक की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेड की, मरकरी की, कैडमियम की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. एंड वो पुराना मोबाइल फेंकना नहीं है पानी में, और उसका बैटरी तो बिल्कुल नहीं फेंकना है. एंड नन ऑफ दिस आप यू सी नॉट दोस साइन विल बी देयर. वहाँ ऐसे साइन बन रहा होगा, ऐसा या ऐसा लिखा होगा, जहाँ रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर रिसाइकिल का साइन बन रहा होता है. ठीक है, एंड जहाँ नहीं कर सकते हैं where recycle is not allowed, or where recycle is allowed in a certain condition only in the that is industries, there it is written that please do not litter it, do not throw it, do not discard it, do not burn it, do not put it in fire and all those are dangerous things. Okay, चलिए अब हमने इसको थर्ड टाइम पे ले लिया. हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस आर ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. नाउ व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इम्प्योरिटी इज द ऑर्गेनिक फ्लॉक्स. ये जो फ्लॉक्स है वो आ गया होंगे यहाँ. So some amount of flocks are there here, otherwise it is free from the organic waste. The flocks तो living है ना, तो हम उनको waste तो कहीं नहीं रखते. Now what we have to do, we have to add in this anaerobic bacteria. We have to add anaerobic bacteria, and this tank is closed one. So the digestion will take place and it will produce some gases, and these gases are biogas. They will convert these organic matter, because they are mainly containing cellulose, and they will be digested and it will change into methane primarily. So around 70% methane will be there, some amount of hydrogen, some amount of hydrogen sulfide, some amount of carbon dioxide, etc. will be there, and this can be used to produce fuel. ठीक है, to run the plant. तो ये हो गया. अब इससे क्या होगा, that the entire expenditure or entire energy requirement of the plant can be fulfilled by this. And once everything is done, then this water will be allowed to flow into field. खेतों में यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, और we can use it in the industries. Or if we have to use it for drinking purpose, then we'll have to either take it to the RO, or we'll have to kill those microbes even. ठीक है, then only we can use it for the drinking purpose. So final treatment then will be done at the home level. So I have finished till sewage water treatment, है ना. Now in the tomorrow's class we will study about the biogas, and I think